Alright guys, let's take a quick update. As you can see, windscreen is in. That's Tony was by. And he put in some new rubbers in the windows and the doors. I've made a fan case for the cooler with the fan from the scrapyard the other day. And I am working on the rear fenders as well. I have mounted them so they are where it should be. And as you can see, there's a lot of room here in the driving position. And that is, of course, because I have to make a little side on the outer part here, just a little down thing, so it will go into around the tire and follow the line. That is in driving position. When it goes down, of course it is on top of the tire, so it looks nice and low. And this is something I'm just trying to figure out how I want it to look. This over here, you see I put the air tanks in just to get a little ramp up to the fender. But yeah, that is evolving, and I'm looking for. In the back, I'm trying to make a construction to hold this thing. So yeah, that's gonna go a little under the frame. So I gotta make something strong enough to hold that. And today, I don't know what you call that. The guy who approves the car, he's gonna come and check the VIN number. I'm gonna put in a new VIN number like I did on my own. So now I'm gonna lose a plate like this, put in the numbers, and put it on the frame where I see it fit. So that is first task of today. Let's fucking go! So that is how it came out. I didn't have the letters like these ones, so I had to engrave it with this engraving thing. So now I will go over and find the perfect spot for this. And I think it should be around here like it is on my own. I think it fits a nice place here. But it also depends on what I have to put on, like right here. If I take this as the plan was, then it's gone. You can see it. And maybe it should be here. Yeah. That's the thing. Let's see where it ends up. For now, it's there. So this, guys, is how it came out. That is freaking awesome. So guys, let's take a quick update. I haven't been filming for a couple of days, but the whole front is assembled now, and the fenders is on, grill is on, the radiator is on, and the sensors for the air suspension is on. So the only thing we need out here is brake lines and hoses for the steering, for the power steering. And yeah, I got the old mirror, side mirror on, just to see what we are going to do with that, just to get a clear view. I got the last step side on this side put on. I need the whole plate, whatever you call that. Got these on. The whole back is ready for bumper style. I mean, I'm ready to make the bumper. I got some new pipes over there I'll put 2 pipes on top of each other with a space between to put a plate with some holes and some rivets and whatever we get of ideas. And now I am also doing the tanks, you know, the missile look. I've shown you that. Here's the front end and the back end, and I just put in a plate in the middle so the fuel won't squeeze back and forth so much. And now I've stand here and grind all this for half a day, so now I'm pissed off on that shit. So I'm moving on to another funny project. Making this 3-inch pipe. The outer part on the rear fender. So now I'm gonna make this half round, cut it in half this way and cut it in half this way. So I got 4 pieces. The 2 pieces should be made so they fit right on the outside on the rear fender. So let's see if I can make that happen. So if you didn't get what I meant, this is what I meant. This is gonna be like a fender skirt. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Then we got an outer for this side and an outer for the other side. And of course I'll cut it in half this way as well. So we got this piece put on here, and after that we can build downwards so it doesn't look like the whole fender is flying when it's driving. exciting moment. How this is going to fit. Oh fuck, it's a little too small in the diameter, but wow, it fits totally. It looks fucking awesome. Right outside the tire. Fucking A. That is awesome. So now I just have to stretch it a little to match the fenders and just tack them on. But first, before I do that, I will have to get this corner right with a bumper. At least get it secured so I know where it is going to be, and then I can make the finish on this so it fits exactly like it should. Woo! Let's fucking go!